Hi boys and girls, Miss Cara here. I'm going to read you a story today for Family Literacy Night called Beep Beep, Go to Sleep, written by Todd Tarpley. Three little robots, time for bed. Time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors round and round. Clean your shields. And power down. The boys carrying the robots off to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are... What do you think they're doing? Beep, beep. Is something wrong? I need my coil. My sensors ache. I want more oil. Well, they all have something that's keeping them awake. Better now? Then rest your head. Three little robots back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are... Do you think they're sleeping yet? Beep, beep. What is it now? I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolt's too tight. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are... Wonder if they're sleeping. Beep, beep. Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking. No more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirling, squirking, oinking. Oinking! Go to sleep. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are... I bet they're sleeping now. Beep, beep. What now? You need what? What do you think they need? Any guesses? Gonna find out. Oh, a bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirling, even oinking, but not these robots snuggled deep. They finally put their boy to sleep. This is a robot bedtime story. I hope you enjoyed. Your code word for this book today was robot. Thank you.